Hi, it's Hannah with WTI.
If you have little ones, you know, as soon as they become mobile, it is so hard to get anything done. But this pop and go playpen will definitely help you. My favorite thing, look how easy it is to set up. It literally pops up and it is good to go. There's just a tiny little piece at the top. You pop that in and then it will not collapse on your baby. So, really nice. And I love that you can pop it up super easy no matter where you are. Another thing that I really appreciate about it is the size. So it is easy to carry and compact, but easily fits two kids. Another thing that I found extremely helpful with this is this cover. So if you're outside, especially if you have a really little one, it's nice that you can have protection from the sun. So the netting is all around them, so you also have protection from bugs. So it is a really nice place for your baby to stay when they are really little, and it even is nice. My 3-year-old loves being in this thing because it's like a little fort to her. It's also nice that they have two different ways you can zip. So you can zip it from the bottom or the top. So depending on the age of your kid, you can decide which way is easier to get them in and out. And like I said, plenty big for you and your little one if you want to hop in there with them. So if you have a little baby that is starting to be mobile, this is such a handy thing to have on hand, whether you are inside, outside, anywhere you go. This will save you.
And that's my point of view.